Welcome, in front of me I have REALME C3i, and today I'll show you how easy you can add another account to Google Play Store. So at the first you have to tap on the Play Store, then tap right here on the right upper corner, click to add another account, pick the Google, input your currently logged method, and then simply input your email. Click next. Okay, I just made a mistake right here. Right now we have to input the password, so let me do this. And as you can see, right now you have to click next if you input your password. Click agree. Right now we have to wait a little bit. We can save or not save the password, you have to decide. And as you can see, after a few moments, we can simply switch between the accounts. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.